everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 751 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the IL MAKIAGE ink liner that I got in my February 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So I will have in the description down below a link to my unboxing video of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box that I did with my BoxyCharm box, where I compared the total retail value of both boxes. So that video will be linked in the description down below. And I love the brand IL MAKIAGE. I got their mascara, I think in an Ipsy box previously, and I love it. I wear it as my daily mascara. I'm literally wearing it right now. It's so good. I will have my video to that mascara linked down below in the description if you haven't seen that video yet and you're curious about this mascara that's so good. So that does make me excited to try out this eyeliner from the brand IL MAKIAGE, which is a pretty nice brand because this retails for $21. But it sounds so nice when I'm reading about it. It says that this is the perfect liquid eyeliner for people that are new to doing cat eyes or not very comfortable with liquid eyeliner, which that's me. I keep getting liquid eyeliners in my subscription boxes, which is just kind of forcing me to practice with them and get better with them and use them more. And I've actually really enjoyed some of the liquid eyeliners that I've gotten, and they have made me feel more comfortable with wearing liquid eyeliners and trying to do winged eyeliner. But it says that this is waterproof and smudge proof. So let me start out by just doing a little swatch. Oh wow, that is a very long pointy tip. There's what it looks like. So let's see. Ooh, yes, and it's flexible. I don't like when they're very pointy and hard because those are so difficult to work with, but this seems like it should be pretty easy to use. A nice full pigment, full black line there, and then I'll test it out to see if it really is smudge proof. I'll give it a little bit to dry down. But so I'm gonna start off with just lining my upper lash line. Start out easy, and then maybe I'll build up the courage to do a winged liner. Oh, wow. You really can get such a thin line. But yeah, this is very precise, very nice, and it applies pretty smooth. Oh my gosh, such true full black color. Since it's such a pointy, precise tip, I can get right onto the lash line, which is so important to me because if I'm wearing a liner on my upper lash line, I want it to be right on the lashes. I don't want there to be that skin separation. And yeah, you can definitely get that. So that's a great top liquid liner. It really does live up to those claims of being precise, easy to use, full black. So really happy with how this lined the upper lash line. But now I'll try and do the wing. I feel like I have to like pull my eye so that it's smooth. We got a little bit of a smudge. So I'll just wipe that away. And there it is. That is not bad. Honestly, it's not amazing. I mean, it's pretty sharp and I think it'll do. I don't know, it's still not super easy for me to do the wing look, even with this eyeliner and this really great flexible pointy tip. But we'll try again on this eye. I think the best thing about this eyeliner is how easy it is to line right along the lashes. and to get a very thin line, because for the inner corner, I want it to be very thin to start and then gradually get a bit thicker towards the outer section of my eye. And I'm able to get that shape with this applicator. I just kind of feel like it's not as fully inky as I need it to be on the tip if I'm gonna do the wing. That's the best I can get for my winged eyeliner today. So, not perfect. I don't think that this is, you know, foolproof when it comes to doing winged eyeliner, but as far as liquid eyeliners go, this is pretty nice. So let's see if there's smudging. No, none. No fading, no smudging. So I love that. It's actually going to stay in place for as long as you need it to. So I'm really happy with the formula, really happy with this applicator. So it's a really nice black liquid eyeliner, but I just feel like I'm getting tired of black liquid eyeliners. Hopefully I don't continue getting them in my Ipsy or BoxyCharm boxes, because I do have some really good ones now. But even if I got like a colored liquid eyeliner, I would be excited about that. And I am happy with this makeup look right here, like a red lip with a black winged eyeliner. I feel like that's a little bit classy, but still kind of edgy. But clearly I still have some practice to do on my winged eyeliner skills. If you have any tips on how to get the perfect winged eyeliner, let me know in the comments down below, because I could still use all the help I can get, even with a great liquid eyeliner. But I still had fun trying this product out. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.